If you want to get a guy to kiss you, freshen your breath first. Brush your teeth and swish some mouthwash or use a breath mint. Put on some lip balm or gloss to make your lips soft and kissable. Pick a time and place where you and your guy friend can be alone together for a while. Once you're together, be confident and friendly with him. Chat for a while and wait for a moment when you're both feeling happy and relaxed. Then move closer to him and see what he does. If he moves away, he's probably not ready. On the other hand, if he leans in, he might be interested in a kiss. Touch his hand or arm. Make eye contact and move your face close to his. He might take the hint and kiss you right then. If he doesn't, try saying something like, "You know what? I'd love it if you kissed me right now."